Hello everyone, this is going to be a super quick one. I just got something in the mail actually about a month ago. This is a SCSI2SD version 6. So I wanted to take it out of the box and see what's going on with it. The plan for this is going to go into the SCSI 10, and the current version 5, I think, that's in the SCSI 10 is going to go into the Microvax 3100. See, my lovely lady wife is there helping out with the scissors, but I just tore into it here. I'll say it's very well packaged. Scissors again. So I should have brought my knife. I wasn't thinking. But so the SCSI2SD is a great product. Basically, it takes an SD card and uses it for the purposes of emulating a bunch of SCSI devices. Discs, tape, CD-ROM, and they are very, very handy. Now this is the version 6. Some of the changes include a change to the power connector, so we get a floppy style power connector instead of a traditional Molex that you'd see on larger drives. It has a full-size SD card slot and more configuration via software. I believe you can set the termination through software. Look at that there. We got the lattice FPGA. So pretty cool stuff here. But more importantly, especially for the use in the SCSI 10, is it's going to be a lot faster. The other SCSI2SD really topped out at about 2.5 to 3 megabytes a second, whereas this can probably do up to 10, maybe peak. So that'll certainly be more in line with the high-end Unix workstation. So the other ones will be great, again, for the Microvax, where it doesn't need to be that fast, or if you had an old Macintosh or something, not a high-end workstation. What is the other thing this can do? This lets you actually access the data on the SD card over the USB connection. So you can get to the data on the SD card without pulling it out. So that's it. This was just a really, really quick unbox of the SCSI2SD version 6. Thanks.